Alright, so check this out here. We're going to solve a few absolute value equations that are special cases. And the special cases because they're really cool. And they're really fast too, which is awesome. Alright, so check this out here. Say if we're going to solve this guy right here. And usually what the rule was, right, is if it's isolated, then you write two equations. But see, if you think about what's going on here, the absolute value means something is going to be positive, right? So we're saying that because anytime that you take the absolute value of anything, it always becomes positive. So it doesn't matter what number I put in right here. I can put 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, negative 100, doesn't matter. When you take the absolute value of that number, isn't it going to be positive? Well, yeah, right? So how is it even possible to put some number in and it's going to be equal to negative 3? Well, it's not possible. So when you get to something like this, when your absolute value is equal to a negative number, you actually stop and then you just say it's not possible. And you're done with the answer because you won't be able to find a number that makes that true. Check this one out right here, and you're going to see that this is also one of our special cases. So if I want to isolate my absolute value by subtracting 3, x minus 2 is greater than or equal to negative 1. What this is asking us is some number that you take the absolute value of that it's going to be greater than or equal to negative 1. Well, wait a minute. When I take the absolute value of any number right here, just plug in any number, we know that the result is always going to be positive, right? It's always going to be positive. So when is a positive number greater than or equal to negative 1? When is a positive number greater than or equal to negative 1? Well, always, right? It's always like that. So that means this answer is going to be all real numbers, or you can just do our symbol for that, which means all real numbers. You see how, I mean, they mean the exact same thing, because it doesn't matter what number you plug in right here for x, it is always going to be bigger or equal to negative 1.